Alright guys, it is TheDevKing here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, I'm actually going to be explaining why I bought this game right here for 2,000 Robux and basically what I'm going to do with the game in this video. But let me explain first how this all happened. So basically, I was in my Discord server and I saw this listing right here where this guy says he's selling a full game called Find the Button. He said he's looking for at least 1k Robux or more, which is obviously pretty cheap for an entire game. And then he goes, the game includes 9 maps, a donate GUI button, a GFX icon, all that stuff, and he left a link to the game below. So obviously I checked it out, and as you can see, here's the game itself. It's pretty simple concept. It's just like find the button, right? There's like a bunch of different rooms, and then basically you have to find the button inside each room, and then you go on to the next level, Let me show you what I mean now. So as you can see, I'm in the first level here, and what you can do is find the button, and where is it? It's right there. Okay, I've already done this level and the second level, I think, too. So it's pretty simple, but also it's actually kind of cool. I mean, like, I know it's basic, but I feel like this could be, you know, kind of fun to play it for the first time around. So like I said, pretty simple, but also I think it could make some money. So what I did was I DM'd the guy and told him I was interested in buying his game. So he ended up responding, and then I made an offer. So I asked him if he'd be willing to sell it for 2k Robux, and he was like, yeah, that would be really good. I was like, all right, awesome, bro. Then I basically paid him the Robux, and as you can see, he sent me the file. All right, now you're probably wondering, why did I actually buy this? Now, honestly, part of it was just for the video, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to see if I could like make some money off of buying a game. I realized there's some, some things you can do to monetize it. Like, for example, you can make a reveal hint button, which basically gives you like a hint, which costs like 25 Robux or whatever, and then it gives you a hint on where the button is, because it actually gets pretty hard once you get to the harder levels. Then I'll have another button that says reveal button, and that's basically just kind of so you can skip the level if you give up, and then you go to the next one, and that'll be like 100 Robux or something. But basically that can be the way to make money, right? So I thought I would do it. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is actually start doing that. I already opened the file, so I know it is the real game. Alright, now as you can see, we've got the game right here. I'm going to go and open up the game and see how it looks. Alright, so first impressions, the map, you know what I mean? It's not bad. I mean, I already knew what it looked like, kind of. But as you can see, we have about 10 stages here, and let's see what the workspace looks like. Oh no. Okay, so it's not very organized. I mean, it is actually enough, so that's probably fine, but we want to make it a little bit cleaner, and then basically just kind of make it so we have those game passes. And then what I'm actually going to do is actually sponsor the game and see if we can make a profit, right? I think this will be kind of fun. Now, by the way, I don't condone buying games. I mean, if you want to do it at your own risk. I'm not, saying everyone should go do this or anything. Like I said, I'm just trying to do it for the video, also just for fun to see what happens. It was pretty cheap, so I thought, why not? Alright, so I'm going to go and get rid of this admin real quick. I don't want that. And then also, whenever you're actually in the game, it doesn't actually have a leaderboard which tells you what level you're on. I feel like if we had that, that'd be pretty interesting, so that people could like, kind of see that it is possible to get other levels, because it does get pretty hard. I mean, people might give up. They're like, wait a minute, this isn't possible, but then they see someone else on another level and they're like, okay, maybe it is. You know what I mean? So also, I want to make sure the scripts all work. I want to make sure I'm going to test that, and then I need to also make it work on mobile. Alright, also let me change this GUI real quick. I'm not really a big fan of this. Alright, donation GUI, just delete that in general. Invite main. I think it's so you can invite your friends. I'm assuming that's what this is. Yeah, I don't really want that though. I'm going to get rid of this as well. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is actually just kind of organize the game a little bit, make sure everything like kind of looks cleaner. So what I'm going to do right now is actually just kind of recode this real quick. It probably shouldn't take that long, maybe 30 minutes. Alright, so just about the same amount of lines of code. I did what that guy did in that script. Like, he had this script in every single button right here. I did what he did in that script for literally every single button, and now it'll be really easy to actually keep track of what stage the player's on, which is perfect. And then I'll be able to actually put that on the leaderboard up here, so we'll do that right now. Alright, so I think I just coded that. It was pretty simple. Let me go and test it out real quick and press the button, and okay, stage 1. Okay, we need to just add 1 to it. Alright, so now that we got that, now we need to actually add those game passes that I wanted to make. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and actually upload those, or create those, and then get the IDs for them and start coding them. Okay, wait, actually, I forgot to publish the game real quick, so we need to do that. Let's go ahead and publish the game as just like find the button, right? I think that's good enough. All right, there we go. Perfect. Now it actually save onto Roblox, and now if I want to make people play it, all I have to do is make the game public, but I'm not going to do that just yet, but we'll do that soon. All right, so as you can see, we have the developer products here. Have you guys done the difference between developer products and game passes? Developer products are basically things you can buy multiple times, and then game passes you basically only buy one time. It's the only difference, really. What we're going to do is make this one called reveal hint. We'll make that 25 Robux. All right, there we go. And then we'll go ahead and do another one, which will be reveal button. And that's basically just like a, skip level kind of, because it'll show you exactly what the button is. But also, I would just do like a skip level, right? But I feel like it'd be more interesting whenever they're actually like playing the game to actually find the button instead of just, going to the next level, because I'll never know what the button was. So I will do reveal button. All right, and there we go. We got the 2 dev products made. Now I'm going to copy these IDs and put them in my script. All right, so now let's go and get to scripting these and make some GUIs for it so that way they work. All right, so I finally got that show button thing working. I actually got rid of the reveal hint because I feel like it would be kind of annoying to write out every single thing. But also, I don't really want people to buy that because they might kind of give it away. So I have the button working now. I'll show you guys how that works real quick. So as you can see, if I hit the show button right here, it prompts with a little product. I can buy it. So this is the test purchase. We'll hit buy now. And then as you can see, this little red arrow pops up right above the button. So it's pretty simple. And you can buy it again on any stage. So as you can see, if I want to buy it here, you can see show button. There's the arrow pops up. So it's, I mean, it pretty much shows it. I mean, I feel like anyone with a brain will be able to tell what that is. Also, this level right here is actually kind of different because like people could actually not know where the button is. Basically, this level has like a little door in here that the guy made, I guess. And as you can see, if you click the door right there, it puts you inside this little like hotel room, which is pretty cool. And then you can like click on these papers, and then you can see the buttons right under there. But you know, hopefully people understand that. I guess that'll be kind of a part of the challenge. But we'll see how that works. But anyways, that's pretty much that. I think the game looks pretty good so far. Honestly, I've done everything I wanted to. I got the leaderboards, I got the scripts working, and I got the dev products working, so that's good. Now the last thing I want to do is actually upload like the game art for the game real quick. I need to test on mobile actually, so I need to do that too. And as you can see, if we go ahead and configure start place right there, we can actually upload the game icon, which is that thing he gave us. Honestly, I kind of like the game icon. It's pretty clean. Yeah, like it's not bad at all in my opinion. I actually kind of like it. All right, we uploaded that right there. Upload. There we go. Also, max player count, 50. Why is it at 50? Oh gosh. I think I'll probably do like maybe, I don't know, 15, probably 10. Honestly, it's probably good. All right, here we got the first one. By the way, guys, if you're ever making a thumbnail for your game, a little life hack. All right. So what you can do is actually go to the emulator in the test tab and then hit device, and then you can actually like put the resolution on 1280 by 720, and that's like the perfect size for the thumbnail. So I'm gonna take a few on different maps, and then I'll upload those. So then you just screenshot, and there you go. There are actually some really cool maps on here. By the way, guys, if you want to play the game, the link is in the description below, so go check it out, and hope you guys enjoy it. It's kind of fun actually, so I think you guys might. Alright, there we go. Let's upload these real quick. And now we let those upload, and then we should be good. Alright, so I have a little description right here. As you can see, it says, welcome to find the button. In this game, you'll look for a button to advance to the next stage. It gets harder and harder each stage, so good luck. And yeah, it looks good to me. Alright, so perfect. Now we should test it on mobile, make sure everything works. I'm not sure if it will, because like some buttons are like kind of under like the cloud right there, so I'm not sure you can tap that on mobile, but I'll try it real quick. Yeah, it worked. Okay, there it is. Dude, I never play on mobile. This is so weird. It's right there. Does it? Wait, it's kind of hard. Oh, I tapped it. Okay, so it does work. Okay, cool. So it is kind of difficult to find, honestly, and tap. But as you can see, there's the button again. You can tap it. Yeah, okay, I got it. So it is working, but yeah, so it does work, which is pretty cool. Also, the reason why the button's not here because I didn't publish the game yet, so I need to actually publish that so it updates. But as you can see, it all should work just fine. I'm excited to see how this works. All right, so we're gonna do the last final publish. I'm pretty sure that should be it, honestly. So what we're gonna do is actually spend 10k Robux on ads. Actually, I'll do 8k since I spent 2k on the game, so it'll be like a total budget of 10k. All right, now the game is gonna be public. Perfect. All right, now let's go and test the. Let's actually test it one more time. Let me go ahead and buy my own dev product and see if that works. All right, so as you can see, show button. I'll click it. Oh, it's still loading, I think. Okay, there we go. Show button, buy now, and okay, it pops up. Okay, so it does work. That's the game. So let's go ahead and launch it, I guess. I'm not sure if we're gonna profit here, honestly. Actually, I might sell admin because that gives you a lot of free Robux. Okay, yeah, honestly, I don't know how to explain it, but basically, if you sell admin and it's like for like 1,000 Robux or something, like people will buy it. Like every once in a while, I get someone who buys it, and that just makes you a lot of money. So you might as well do it, right? So if people want to spend money, they can. So I'm gonna sell like the VIP commands. That way, it's not too OP, but they still do have some admin commands, and that way I can make some money off that too. All right, as you can see, we hit buy now, and I believe it ranked me. Okay, yes, even per ranked VIP. Okay, so it does work just fine. People can buy admin, and they won't be able to do anything too crazy with it. But yeah. All right, boys. Well, here we go. This is it. I'm gonna go ahead and sponsor it here in a second. I'm honestly kind of nervous for some reason. I don't know why. I mean, it's only 8k Robux, so it's not the biggest deal if I lose money, but still, it's just kind of nerve-wracking every time you do it. All right, so as you can see, we got the game right here. Find the button. It looks pretty nice. Everything looks nice. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is click on the little gear, hit sponsor. Also, if you guys don't know what sponsoring is, basically it's where you just put a sponsored ad right here in the middle of games on like the front page. All right, so we're gonna put phone, tablet, computer. All three of those I think will do fine because you can, you know, do everything on each. Like I said, we're gonna do 8k each. So let's go ahead and do some quick math. So 8,000 divided by 3. Okay, that's not a good number. So we'll do just 2,600. So let's go ahead and hit the tablet one first. So as you can see, we hit run. We're gonna get an estimated almost 3 million impressions, which is not bad, honestly. For only 2,600 Robux, pretty decent when you think about it. So yeah, that's just for that. Let's go ahead and hit yes. Okay, we're in. All right, so now we need all the other ones. 2,600 Robux. I'll see a computer will only get 500,000 impressions, but still, they're good. You know, it's different platform, different types of people play it. All right, and then on phone, we'll do another 2,600, and we get 5 million impressions on phone. That's a lot, jeez. But here we go on phone, and yes. All right, so now we got the ads running, or the sponsors running on all 3 platforms besides console, because who likes console anyways? But yeah, now let's essentially what we do is we wait a little bit, and then we can go in the game and see if people join. So I'll go and hop in the server real quick because I know people will. I'll give it like 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. Alright, so they're working. As you can see, we already have impressions on each platform. No clicks yet though. I guess we're just kind of lame. No one likes the game, but we'll get some eventually probably. But we only need to make 2k Robux. Actually, wait a minute. We just put 8k into ad. Okay, we need to make 10k Robux to profit. Honestly, do I think we'll do it? Oh, someone joined. Strong sister. Oh, she clicked it. She clicked it. Okay, she's on stage 2 now, so she's actually playing the game just how we wanted. So that's perfect. But yeah. All right, guys. So it has been about 2 days, 48 hours. Now, sponsors only take 24 hours, so I'm not sure why I waited 48 hours, but who cares? Let's go ahead and check the stats. As you can see, first thing we got here is 2,500 visits, so kind of low, but we could still profit. Who knows? And also we have 32 favorites, kind of cool. Dislike ratio is about 50%. All right, so I put it on daily. As you can see, we got visits per day. So this is 1,000 visits on the first day, 1,300 on the second day, and this is today. Pretty low, only 104. So pretty low, like I said. Visits by age, who cares about that? Average visit length, this is actually kind of interesting. Got total minutes, about 6 minutes on average. I mean, so that's all right, I guess. All right, Robux revenue, what we all want to see. And now this is kind of hard to read this graph, so I'm not even gonna look at it. Let me put it on hourly, actually. Yeah, as you can see, there's not much data, so it just looks like big spikes, so it's kind of ugly to look at. But we can go ahead and look right here at this data table and see what we earned. All right, so here we go, boys. All right, so we did not profit, as you can see. We got 800 Robux on the first day, 800 Robux on the second day, and only 100 today. So I don't think anyone even bought the game pass for the admin, which kind of sucks because I thought that would make us some money, but obviously it didn't, and the game kind of flopped. But you know what I mean, boys? We made 1,700 Robux, and you know, hopefully this shows you that you can't just expect to make money on any random crap game. Not saying the game's crap or anything like that. You know, it's a pretty great top tier game. You know, maybe you guys will enjoy the game. Links in the description below if you want to play it, so you can check it out if you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it though, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new and you want more Roblox development related videos. Also, be sure to use code TAP when you buy Robux. It helps me out a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.